Hello, this is your host Mark from Blades & More with a review of these Gerber EVO folding pocket knives. I bought these EVOs as a set on sale at Walmart after Christmas here 2019 for $14.99. And there are a couple of interesting smaller tactical type blades that piqued my interest. This smaller one, the EVO Junior, is a drop point blade design with all aluminum handle that has been lightened. And it's a smaller knife, 6.25 inches overall length, with a blade length of 2.75 inches and a handle length of 3.5 inches long. As mentioned, it's a drop point blade design with a plain edge, and both of these blades have a titanium nitride coated blades for rust resistance. This is a dual ambidextrous thumb stud opening on this small EVO Junior. Also has a flipper tab. They have stainless steel liner and liner lock that has been skeletonized along with the handle. Has also been skeletonized, the aluminum handle. It is a tip down carry design with a stainless steel carrying clip that sits very deep in the pocket, the knife does. Has an open back handle design. Nice little piece. If you're looking for something smaller that'll just slip away, hide away in your pocket, this might fit your ticket. For an inexpensive little budget beater, might just do it for you. So the next one here is the EVO mid-size. EVO mid they call it. Also with a flipper tab opening and dual ambidextrous thumb studs. Both of these knives have a blade material of 7CR17 MOV. This EVO mid is a tanto blade design with a partially serrated edge. Also an lightened aluminum handle that has been coated black. It has a stainless steel liner and liner lock, like the EVO Junior, with a tip down carry design. Stainless steel carrying clip. Knife sits deep in your pocket. Dual ambidextrous thumb stud and flipper tab opening. Also, this blade, as previously mentioned, has a titanium nitride coated blade material. For the $14.99 sale price on Walmart, a couple of neat little pieces if you think you would like something inexpensive for EDC, everyday carry. These might just fit your ticket. So here we go, everyone. It is the Gerber EVO Junior and the Gerber EVO Mid folding pocket knives. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them and I'll try to get back with you as soon as I can. I appreciate you watching, taking the time to watch my video, and I hope to see you back again soon. All right, bye now.